देख so okay, sorry for today all this mess up. I don't know what is happened with my OBS studio. I apologize for this. I'm very apologize for what is happening. I don't know what is that bug inside the my streamer software, streaming software. Fine. Okay. Fine. Fine. Okay. So again, there is what is the problem of it? I don't know what is the problem. No, not smooth. Why? Why? What is the problem? Please write in the comment if my video and audio is clear. Please write comment. It is smooth or not? Please write comment because there's some technical error going today. Please write in the comment section. Please write. Please write my voice and audio video is clear or not, so I can start the session. Is there some technical issues? So okay, now stream health is good. Okay, fine. Now we can start our stream. Okay, fine. Good. Good to go. Then 1, 2, 3. Again. So I start my stream. Okay. Today's session. Okay. For today, we talk about what is HTML. Okay. It is hypertext markup language. It is a language for making structure of a website or any front page for this any website make from this language. Okay. Then the good thing about HTML is it has a structure of DOM, document object model. Okay, we have different type of markup languages like XML, MD, but they don't provide document object model. But HTML is provide DOM, so we use HTML for making website to the front page. What is DOM? Okay, this is structure of a DOM. So in a document object model, after the HTML5 development, there is an element called document, which tells the browser it has a HTML5 type of file. So what is the benefit of HTML5? In whole course, we'll learn about HTML5. The good thing about HTML5 is it has more text, okay, and it is provide a perfect DOM structure in which a particular main tag, it is document, and different type of objects like different type of tags are the objects, and the whole thing is called model. Okay, understand? So first from the start from our document, the initial tag for initialize the structure, it is tell the browser it is a HTML5 type of HTML. Then has a particular all the HTML written inside HTML tag. I will show you the practical all the things. Okay, after this, all the things written in HTML. So there are all different type of tags inside the HTML. There are mainly two tags, head tag and body tag. Another is footer, which we have learned about that in any other project. We have another inside the head tag. There are two elements like title or text. Title and text. Okay. So it is a main root. They have branches, different branches and different leaves. This is a tree-like structure. Okay. So and another tag, main important tag is body tag, which has element like heading, paragraph, anchor tag, and its attribute of a link tag is href, which is like a branch, similar branch of this. This is all about DOM model, and it is very helpful for structure any website. Okay. Then what are the tags in HTML? HTML has defined keywords inside the tags, which means we have pre-written some keywords which are organized and designed and give information to the web browser when it is clicked and when it is target. Okay, clear? I take all the comments after this live session. I tell you all the doubts after live session. Okay. They have this HTML is all about tags, nothing that other than tags. Okay. So what are the category of a tag? Different type of tags are there like start tag, end tag, self-closing tag, and sub tag. We all learn in the practical section in better way. Okay. So what are the text? How we manipulate the text in HTML? Good thing, because everywhere is text on a website. We have know how to manipulate on that. How we use the text. How we can way better structure in HTML. How we can write the text in HTML. We know that. We want to should learn about this. So First is heading. What are the headings? Now, I recommend you please code along with me so you learn better. So please open your favorite text editor. My favorite text editor is Visual Studio Code. So I am opening that. Okay. It is my personal recommendation. Always use like better text editor for the better productivity. There are lots of text editor like Visual Studio Code, Sublime, Atom, Vim, and lots of text editors. But I mainly use Visual Studio Code for particular web development part because it has very good structure for file structure in making. Like it has extensions and marketplace for the extension. Like every extension is available inside the Visual Studio Code. Okay, please download this or otherwise write the code along with me. And after the live streaming, I am give the link in the description of the all code section. Okay, don't worry about this. That you can practice it later. Listen, sound good. Okay. So first open the Visual Studio Code, then go to the extensions. Now search for live server. I have already installed live server. It is by Rit Weekday. Okay. It is very helpful for testing our HTML. If I press the save button, then it is automatically reload the web page and shows our output. I will show in just a moment how it is work. Okay, then I close this. Now I'm going to make a file. Like firstly we have starting from heading. So I call it heading dot html. The h.html is extension of file extension of HTML files. Okay. So another good thing about Visual Studio, it has the Emacs extension pre-built in it. So I just shift one. So it provides a better document. Okay, like than HTML. Or other than we can say is like just shift one and it is give us the boilerplate code for all the HTML we use. Then press tab and our DOM is ready. Then only thing we want to here is like do our text and manipulation on just go from here. It gives our DOM structure pre-written and on the boilerplate code. It is very good thing about Visual Studio. By the help of Emacs, it is pre-built in it. Okay, so we taking things one by one, understanding DOM here. Then we start HTML heading part. Starting from here, we can see here is a doc type HTML. It tells the browser it is a document type of the HTML5 type. Okay, which has the modern way approach to manipulate things and in the modern browsers. Good. Then we have another tag is HTML. It is okay. This is HTML tag. No weird thing. It is a old HTML and it close in HTML. What is the lang eng? And how we can write this? Amazing thing, na? So some tags as attributes, which is it takes some parameters like HTML tag take parameter of lang, which means what is the language we gonna use in our HTML. Okay, what like we going to use as English, Hindi, Russian, Canadian, Japanese. So Canadian is also English. Sorry, Chinese. We can right here. So for the we have used English, so it is provide default is en English, easy. Then what head tag? Head tag is which are the show in the tab. I will show you in the second moment. What is the meta tag? Meta tag define the character sketch of the web browser. How it is used? It is encoded UFT8 encoder. Then it has some initial point scale with the viewport width device. It is structured only in HTML5. Then what is title? Title tag. Every time you can see on their tab bar there is something right. So I can show you like this is heading title. Okay. Then here it is starting tag and this is closing tag. And our HTML we write here is in body tag. I think I want to zoom this. Okay. So I think I should zoom this little bit so you can easily see that. Now I think just a second. I check the response on my other screen. Just a moment. It is updating and it is zoom. So you can easily understand what is the written on the web browser. Oh, sorry, in the text editor. So till then, I read the clear for now. Clear. Okay. Then I write here H1 heading 1. So I write here heading 1. Okay. I go for H2 tag heading second. Then H3 tag heading 3. Then H4 heading 4. H5 heading 5. H6 heading 6. Okay. So there are total 6 type of headings for different type of font size. So starting from the H1. H1 is the largest to the H6 is the smallest heading. Okay, easy. Now I just right click on this and open with live server, and it is just a second. It is open our HTML. Okay. Now here you can see. I think I zoom. Okay. This is This is our heading title, which we write here, heading title. Okay. Then it is different type of heading for H1 to H6. Easy. Understand? Please write in the comment so I can move ahead. Please write in the comment if it is clear. Okay. Now we move ahead and talk about how we write the paragraph. Okay. How can we write the paragraph? Paragraph or text inside the HTML. So for that, I make a different file called name para para.html. Good. So I write here the boilerplate code para. So for the paragraph, I use here p tag in the HTML in the heading. There is called different type of h1, h2 to the h6 tags. Then for the paragraph, there are p tag. Okay. So with the help of emit extension, I can write here lorem 20. It takes 21 from the lorem. Okay. It has a random words lorem items. There are some fancy stuff. So I can for the open with live server. Here you can see it is a just a line. Okay. Nothing fancy stuff. More not any visually good. We make visually good things after the HTML inside the CSS or JavaScript. But for this now time, we only focus on structure of a web page. So easy. Then after the paragraph, there are lots of type of paragraph like bold and italic. If we want to make some word bold or italic, how can we use that? Okay. For that, we have different type of text like bold and italic dot html. So right here I write this bold underscore italic. So I can write here like inside the p tag, my name is Hitanshu. If I want to make only the Hitanshu bold, so I can write here b tag. Oh, perfect. Okay. So we can see here our here you can see the H, the Hitanshu is inside the bold capitals with the help of B tag. Okay, and I want again write some P tag I am only 21 years old. Okay. If I want to write in years in italic, so I can write I tag. Okay, fine. This will be a I tag. So don't want to refresh. I think it is all okay. Here you can see it is in the italic words. Good. Like I check my stream health. How much are there? One live viewer. Okay, fine. Good. So this is for the italic words. I think you have clear about some tags till now. If yes, please write in the comment. Please write inside the comment section. If you're little bit clear about what are the heading tag, what are the paragraph tag, what is the bold and italic tag, please write in comment. Please write in the comment if it is clear for you, understandable or not. Please write in the comment section. Okay. Then after the italic and bold, we have some superscript and subscript tags. We have not generally used this, and but they are super powerful tags. Okay, let's go and write for super hyphen sub hyphen script tag dot html, and that sub hyphen super. For the super and sub, we have sorry, first make of code for superscript. Okay, very good example. You have all listened about E is equal to mc square formula. How can we write the square and the power in HTML? So there is a tag called super, right? Like inside the p tag, it is e is equal to mc. So after the mc, I can write another tag called sup sup p super tag. Okay. Inside the super tag, I write square and save and just open with live server. Here you can see there is equal to mc square. Easy. Okay. Not just this. All the HTML is all about tags. How you use the tags. This is all things about HTML. No, there is no great thing in HTML. It is a very simple and sweet thing. Okay. So this is for super tag. Now for sub tag. If I want to write the formula of water H2O, so how can I write the 2 in the subscript of the H? So I can write here like H subscript of 2, then O. Then we just open our browser. Then you can see here it is H2O formula. Okay, fine. For the better understanding, I'm write something here inside the p tag superscript tag and this is for subscript tag, and make some space between the for the clear, we can see clearly everything. Okay, fine. Then we check our stream health. Fine, good. One concurrent user, viewer. Then this is all about superscript and subscript. It is very helpful in the scientific notations for making formulas and want to upload on the web browser or website. It is very helpful for us. Then another is line break and horizontal rules. How we shift from one line to another line. How we look like it is the different line from another line. How we make a single horizontal line in between different types of lines. Interesting. Okay. So I can make a paragraph of it so you will understand it better. Okay. So open our Visual Studio again. It's open like for making line break and hold rule dot html. Line break and horizontal rule. Okay. From here I can write it. So I want to use here hello. I am Hitanshu. So and I want to write it inside a single tag but in different lines. So I can how I can write this. How I can write. So just use a br tag. Okay, simple br tag. It is self-closing tag. No greater hack is there. I am 21 years old. Okay, just a simple line. So how it is visually can see this. Okay, here you can see it just inside a p tag, a single p tag, but in different line with the help of br tag, break line tag. Okay, simple. It is very simple thing. So this is for br tag. Now, if you want to use how to use a horizontal line break, okay, write this for p tag. For the p tag, I am I write code in. After the in, there I use hr tag, horizontal rule tag. Okay, hr tag. It is also self-closing tag. Uh, I write here HTML. After that HTML, will be a line break. So HTML, CSS, sorry, here for the BR, for the Java script. Again, this is BR tag, and for React JS, my favorite library. So I can save this and how it is looking. Let's see. Okay, how it is look. Yeah, you can see here is a line. Okay, here it is the line for the breaking this thing from this thing. Okay, easy, easy or not? Easy. Till here, if you understand this, please no. For the comment from the Ben Watson, no, we can use the slash n instead of br tag because inside this is not a programming language. This is a markup language. Here also all about tags. Everything is inside the tag. For the change for the line, we must be everything you want to know. There is always a br tag. There is no different substitute for this. Is only a br tag. Okay, understand? Then, if you understand, please comment. Okay, and please share this live stream to your friends and groups because there are only one viewer. How can I make more and more content if there is only one viewer for me? Why I make going live? Why? Everyone call me and please ask me for teach me HTML, CSS, JavaScript all the time. Please teach me, teach. And now I am teaching you. No one is come. What is wrong this? What is the wrong? Everyone call me, please Ranshu, teach me web designing, web development. Now I am teaching you. No one is coming. Why? Okay. Hope I understand. Hope you understand about line break and horizontal rule. The HTML is very simple language, no other things. Now, under the tag is strong and emphasis. What is strong tag? And how it is different from a bold tag? Okay, what a heck is going on here? So, just for reference, I open my notes. Okay, the the strong it has the for the some for the important words and make word strong and bold element. Okay, but by default it is shows the bold only. But if you see the HTML of that page, it is used highly recommended use for making the important word. Okay, we write the things in important thing in strong tag. Okay, now I write here strong and em.html strong and em emphasis for em. Okay, fine. Hello. Oh, sorry, it is a p tag. Here I write hello. Now make some different thing for the strong. Today stock market at 43,000 points. Just for reference, I not use here the strong tag. First we see the simple HTML, then we use the strong tag. Okay. Here it is only the simple. If it, the important thing is here is 43,000. Okay, so I write this in the strong tag. So 43,000. Okay, now save. Then here we can see it is bold and strong. So what is the difference between bold and italic? Both are bold. Okay, fine. The only difference is if we press F12 in browser or press right click then inspect element, there is a strong tag. Okay, I will tell the more interesting thing about the inspect element and fun, making some fun about the inspect element in another session. We have make lots of fun up with the help of inspect element. Okay, we do it. Just keep watching my live stream. Now move to EM. What is the difference between italic and EM? Okay, they just like for the strong and the difference between strong and bold, there is the same difference between emphasis and italic word. Both are provide the curly italic structure, but EM is for emphasis for the important some important points. Okay, some like I want to write here for the paragraph. Today gold price is 53,000. Okay, if I write this EM in EM tag, emphasis tag, okay, then I can save this and watch here. It's just like italic. No difference, but EM is used for the specify a thing. Like I write EN for more clarification. Okay. Then how it is all up to you how it is looking clear or messy. Make HTML more clear and clear, and you have to practice how to write the code in a very good structured way. Here you can see I write things like from here, then the tag this way, then another closing tag is here way. So it is provide a good structure for readability of a code. Okay, the readability of code is very important. Now the quotation. How can we write the quotation on a single line or the multiple line? Very interesting. Okay, we can directly write the quotation mark, but if we write the quotation or the Q tag, it is very helpful for us for giving a better way structure of HTML. Interesting, huh? Interesting. Yes, I know it is very interesting thing. The whole web designing is web development is very interesting. How can we underline the text with the help? It is underlined with the help of CSS. That the text decoration underline. It is a HTML property. I will teach you this in HTML. Oh, sorry, CSS. Sorry for the my mistake. It is in the inside the CSS part. Underline text is okay. It is a okay fine. Fine. Underline is a CSS property and different type of we can use the text decoration there. Okay, we make the more and more clear with the help of CSS. We make text more interesting and interactive. Don't worry, I teach you all the things of the HTML, CSS. JavaScript, which are very necessary. It is impossible to teach all the CSS. It is impossible because the whole the CSS takes very much time. But I teach you the very most important and necessary part of CSS, and from the beginning to advanced everything. So, okay, our next topic is quotation. So you pay dot html. Quotation time. Okay, just a second. I am checking how our streaming is going on. Excellent. Two viewers, four viewers. Okay, fine. Good. This is for good. Very good. Okay. For the quotation, how we use the quotation mark. For the quotation, I read something like it's firstly I use simple quotation mark winter. It's winter. Okay, simple. Nothing fancy stuff. Simple. For the better understanding, we make things simple and simpler for the better understanding. Okay. You can see here it is a simple quotation mark. No different thing. But would you like to here write the quotation or special symbol inside HTML? No. No one like at the professional level. Okay. So just like a Q and save. Okay. It is a quotation mark. This is a way better thing that simple quotation marks. Okay. It is very clear. It is very interactive. Okay. Double inverted commas or quotation mark. Understand? Okay. It is very simple thing. No big hack is there. Now, I abbreviation and acronyms. It is a very interesting thing. So I open my notes from with the good friends. Okay, fine. How I write the abbreviation abbreviation dot html. It is for making HTML abbreviative. Sometimes we use the some abbreviative words for make things smaller and text like smaller and smaller. For we use some abbreviations. Okay, so just here I this abbreviations. Hello, I am from I'm from like here now I write here the very new thing for all of you. Uh, acronymy or abbreviation title. Okay, so should I first go with abbreviation? Okay, abbreviation for the title like ABBR. Sorry, ABBR. Inside the abbreviation there will be a title. title like Sri Nanga Nagar. So it is go from the SGNR. Like it is for this shows this is an abbreviation. Okay, simple. This dot dot shows the it is abbreviation. If it is abbreviation, so how I can see its full name? There will be a name for the tag is acronym. Okay, acronym ACRONYM. Acronym. Then for the title is equal to sorry acronym. Okay, acronym like for this is our acronyms. Control C, Control V, and right here Control X, Control V, Y. Acronym. Okay, okay, okay. It is inside the abbreviation. Not good approach. It is shows the warning. Okay, so I read whole different thing for this. Don't worry, we make it in just a second. For the P type, inside the P type, we write acronym title for Srimanagara. What is the error? Acronym NYMs. It is correct. Let's test it is what it shows error. Okay, it is perfect. Perfect. It is just a text type. So here we oh sorry, not Sriman, it is SGNR. Okay, fine. Fine, fine. It is perfect. Perfect. It is my mistake. So okay. Just we overlay over cursor for here. This shows its full name, the Sriman. Okay. It is just shows the its abbreviative. So we can also use this inside our the abbreviation part. So I just test this here too. Here just a second. It is working or not. Just we wanna test. Okay. It is just for the testing purpose. It is working or not. Okay, it is perfectly fine. If we go the cursor on that, it is shows its full name. Okay, perfect, fine. It just shows the abbreviation. If we move cursor on that, it is shows its full abbreviation, full keyword. Perfect. Okay. Then we have another is changes to content. There are three type of tag. This is insertion, deletion, and substitute. Okay, the hashtag for the temporary change. So make file, new file for change text. Okay, then change text dot html, then change text. So first I will tell you what is difference so first I write code and then I make run and then I tell you what is the difference between same this same similar looking tags. Okay, so first I make it was it's for the deletion d washed, so something. Okay, then I write p tag another p tag for different thing. Okay, so I add here like p tag, simple p tag, laptop price, laptop price is like 3400. Oh sorry, like in p tag before, what else before price is, like it is inside the s tag for the substitute for like $3500. After offer price is 3000 dollars. Perfect, fine. Okay. Now first I run, then explain what is the difference between in different type of. Okay, then here you can see this is a dash, and this is also hyphen there, this cancel this thing or substitute, deletion like something. Okay, how much are the concurrent user? 3. Okay, fine. So what is the dial tag? It is indicates this word is permanently deleted from this website. This tag is not available, or this text is not the valid for this statement. So please insert, this is ins for the for the changing this deletion word to this word. Okay, understand? It is a simple thing. This del tag shows that this is a deleted and the correct word is this. This is the insertion tag. With the help of we can insert this. Okay. And for the s tag, this is substitution tag. This is for the temporary change, just like for a offer sale, where we can see the line on a price, then it is shows new price. This is come under a hashtag or the substitute tag. Here you can see this is substitute tag. Okay, this is a deletion, this is insertion. Perfect. I hope you understand. Okay, so it's so complicated in HTML as compared to programming language. We can use slash and double quotation. This is an alternative in HTML in the program. First thing, HTML is not a programming language. It is a markup language. Okay, and for the Boston, Watson. Okay, Ben Watson. This is, please clear your mind. It is not a programming language. It is a markup language, and it is easiest markup language. If you go inside the XML, extensible markup language, it is far complex than HTML. Okay, it is very easy. Please understand and please rewatch this video again and again, so you will understand it better way. Because I am teaching in the far better and far easy way as possible as. Okay, and teach all the each and every tags. The important, not everyone cannot teach each and every tag, but I teach you more important and more commonly used tags. Okay, fine. So another tag, another thing is we the tags text portion is completed. Okay, how we manipulate the text, how we can decorate the text is completed. Another thing is list. How can we make the list inside the HTML? Thus, the frequently used tag in for making dynamic website that is list. You use that list in everywhere, whether it is a messaging app, whether it is a to-do app, or it is a grocery list, whatever you have used to list tag. Okay, so let's start. If yes, please write in the comment. Yes, let's start. Please write in comment. Let's start the list tag list in the HTML. This is a very interesting thing. Okay, please write in comment. ओके स्ट्रीम थोड़ी लैग हो रही है 1 सेकंड में चेक करता हूँ स्ट्रीम हेल्थ को एक्सीलेंट yeah it is some no it is not a big deal it is just a it is streamed from a software okay okay not a big deal because it is streamed from a software all data is transferred to a OBS streaming streamlab OBS then it is again goes to the studio it just takes some 5 to 10 second time not a big deal okay should I start list in HTML. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, fine. Let's start the list in HTML. Fine. So, what are the lists? I told you already. The list is very important thing in the HTML. Everywhere you use list, whether it is a to-do app, whether it is a glossary list, it is a shopping cart, everywhere or it is a blog post type website, it is a blogger, it is a video render, some video playlist. Everywhere there is a list. List is everywhere inside the website. Okay. So so let's start about list. First we have ordered list. Okay. Now we start lists. So we have first ordered list dot html fine so I write here html order list okay so for the order list there is a tag ol so I think okay fine there is tag ol for the order list it gives the list in like order 1 2 3 4 like this so like making li for the list like I read here cake and for li choco chocolate and for Li for tea, my favorite one. Then for Li for coffee. Okay. Then let's first run and then I'm explain what is the going on here. Here you can see there is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Listen here. This is the OL, which is gives the this is a part of sub tag. Okay. The list is a very good example of sub tags where the OL is there is main tag, then Li is its sub tag. OL gives the this must be order list and Li is the take the words or it store the words. What is the words gave goes inside a list. Okay, it holds the word and is holds the data for the list. Okay, not it is simple, not complex. It's just two tags. OL user it should be a must order list and Li which tells it the it holds the data for list. Okay, understand? हेलो ये ईशान कमेंट बहुत लेट रिफ्रेश हो रहे हैं भैया मे बी अब स्ट्रीम डिले हो रहा है कभी भी 1 मिनट शो नहीं हो ओके इट इज नॉट it's some I use Streamlab obviously it is not it is, has some lagging problem so from tomorrow I think I shift to another OBS main OBS studio okay I think it is far better than this okay so this is about order list hope you understand the Li holds the data for a list and OL gives the order it is the tells the browser it is the order list simple no big confusion okay then another is unordered list it is very helpful for the dynamic website or inside the blog post type website or blogging website okay unordered list dot html unordered list so I write here ul for unordered list then again li for the hold the data for the list so inside the order list I write same thing here just copy and paste all the things here okay fine so just a moment I open with the live server okay here you can see these are the bullet points inside the order list there are numbers and inside here it is bullet points simple huh yes we I teach I'm going to this part just a moment I'm going to this part for the sub element for a list okay don't worry I'm going to that part for it is for just a second check okay order definition list okay top dt okay fine first we write definition list, then we move to nested list. The sublist is known as well as known as nested list. First is definition list dot html. Definition list, there is a nested list. Okay, fine. Okay, so just a second. K E L definition list. Okay, for definition list there is a tag. For the main tag is DL. Here we write, first we write DT. What is meaning of DT? It is a definition term. What we going to define what thing? That is come under DT. Okay, so write DT. Like I'm going for the write HTML for the HTML. Okay, now I write DD definition data. DD for definition data. Hypertext markup language. Fine. Open with live server. Show this like this. Okay, it is a word and this is its definition. It's just for example. This is not its whole definition. It is just for example. So I write here for the writer structure. Okay, it gives the structure for the writing definition from any word. Easy. For the different another we can write here is DP. Sorry, like for JS, JS is for DD, JavaScript. Okay, simple, easy. Okay, now we move to our today last topic, that is nested list. Dot html. Okay, there will be a so this is nested list. So first we have order list. Fine, we have for order list. Then inside the order list there will be a list for like ingredient for cake. For the cake, what we need for making cake. So inside of a list we can write another list by simple like another list, like we have to have cream, sorry, cream, we have want to have Li. Fine. Flour. We need sugar. Is a basic element. So we can run this and hope it is perfectly run. Okay. For the okay, you can see this here. It is a nested list. This is an order list. Inside order list, this is an order list. Perfect, fine. So I'm explaining this. This is an order list. This is all set. OL. In the order list, I write a element data, sorry, list data like cake. Inside the cake list, there will be another list. I put another list inside this. Again, the which type of cream. It will be a category. This will be a another list. Then it will be a li. It is like the whipped cream. Okay. So it is more nested inside nesting. You can see here. This is the order list. This is unordered list. This is again type of which type of cream. This is whipped cream. Okay. Hope you understand. If you understand, if you have any doubt, please write in comment. Hope you understand. Please write inside the comment section. Naturally, okay. Thank you for today. Please share this video, subscribe the channel, press the bell icon. Done for today. Meet you tomorrow. And please come more and more people because it encourage me. I don't take any piece of money for teach you, but I need only from you it is support. How will I get support? Please subscribe. If you subscribe my channel, I will be motivated. If you watch my video, my live stream, I will more motivated and teach you far better than this. So please share and subscribe and please come to my live stream and comment. Please comment if you have any doubt and you can direct message me on my Instagram on the instagram.js is my username. Okay, now for today, a wonderful day. It's all for today. Thank you. Just a comment. There is a comment. I want. Uh, okay. There will be a comment for us from suppose bullet could change हो जाती है. Actually, it is a sorry. It where it is. Okay. Yes, it is. It is automatically changed according their list priority. Like this is order list, this is unordered list. For the for unordered list inside the order list there will be a circle. For unordered list inside unordered list there will be a square. If we write directly unordered list there will be a bullet point. Okay, normal a dark circle. Okay, please share this video. Meet you tomorrow. Okay, just a second, please complete this streaming. Okay. please go and share this video for the more engagement on my channel. But please, I want only thing from you is please give me more and more viewers and please more and more subscribe. This is enough for me. Okay. I didn't take any money from you for this for this course. It is free on YouTube. I'm here to teach you live HTML. Okay. I'm here to teach you HTML, CSS, JavaScript for live. And I answer each and every comment. If you have any query, I give you everything answer. Okay. So this is the only thing which is I need. Please share and subscribe and please come on the live stream. Please, it is I request all of you, please come on my live streaming. It is encourage me, literally. It is very encouraging me. Sorry. Okay. Fine for today. Have a wonderful day. Then enjoy. Bye. Bye. Have a good day. And please take screenshot of your code, post on our Instagram, tag me, mention me for like hitanshuSonit.js. I write my Instagram here. IG.md. Okay.